So, good morning again, guys. Ang atong ipakaon sa ito ang shrine is the kailan mo ba mapapansin ang aking lihim? Kailan yung pangalan, guys? Basta, kailan ba ni? Kailan lagi? We're making pukaw now, okay? Shrine. You wake up already because you got so many visitors. So today, we're going to eat the kailan nahadlok man siya, mubalik siya sa iyang agi. Shrine. You want to eat the kailan? Huy! Hadlok siya sa inyo, guys.